Alright, today I'm going to show you guys my screaming shower head. I think it's been hurting my hearing, so hold on. Alright, so here's the shower. It's like a telephone booth. Not like the TARDIS. Very small and echoey. So anyway, here's the shower. Now when you get closed into that room, it's really loud. Now let's change the shower head. Okay, so here's the new shower head. Chrome. Just use the same hose too. Alright. Listen to that. Well, thank goodness that episode's over. Man, that was terrible.